I happen to send 12 barrels to my poor people here in Park Mountain, Jamaica, to help out the hungry people who cannot manage on their own because of the storm. Now, look at the barrels that we send from America to here, just 50 to help out these people. And the people at the wharf or wherever they did it, I don't know, but it's just half barrel. I couldn't pack a half barrel sending from there to here. And we just start opening them up. And you know, this is what it looked like. Half of this stuff already gone out of the blinking barrel. What is so wrong with these people? I'm telling you, it's true what the people is crying about this stuff. I would never pack 4 barrels, 13 barrels from America half. I'm not a fool. Why would I do that? They're thieves, they're liars, and they're thieves. All of them at the war, whoever they're employing to take care of these things, they're all thieves. And I just want to put it out there to make people know